fishing lure descends 2 feet per second from the top of a river. The bottom of the river is deeper than -5 2/10 feet. How long does it take the fishing lure to reach the bottom of the river? Use the given information to write a verbal model to represent the problem. Change in elevation in feet per second multiplied by time in seconds is less than the bottom of the river in feet. Next, choose a variable. Let t be the time in seconds that the lure descends. Now write an inequality. Substitute the values and variables for the word phrases in the verbal model. The change in elevation, -2 feet per second. The value is negative because the lure is descending. Time in seconds, t, is less than the bottom of the river in feet, -5 2/10. The inequality is -2t is less than -5 2/10. Solve for t. Divide both sides by -2. Remember, when dividing an inequality by a negative number, to reverse the inequality. The result is t is greater than 2 6/10. The lure takes more than 2 6/10 seconds to reach the bottom.